Hi, I'm Vicky. I'm finna sing Mockingbird by Eminem. Yeah, I know sometimes things may not always make sense to you right now, but hey, what Daddy always tell you, straighten up, little soldier, stiffen up that upper lip. What are you crying about? You got me. Haiti, I know you miss your mom, and I know you miss your dad when I'm gone, but I'm trying to give you a life that I never had. I can see you sad, even when you smile, even when you laugh. I can see it in your eyes, deep inside you wanna cry, cause you're scared. I ain't there, Daddy's with you in your prayers. No more crying, wiping tears. Daddy said no more nightmares. We gon' put together through it, we gon' do it. Laney uncle's crazy, ain't he? But he loves you, girl, and you better know. World we got in this world, when it spins, when it swirls, when it twirls, when it twirls. Two little beautiful girls, like the puzzle in a days. I know it's confusing you. Daddy's always on the move, mama's always on the news. I'm trying to keep it sheltered from it, but somehow it seems the harder that I try to do that, the more backfires on me. All the things growing up as daddy had to see. Daddy don't want you to see, but you see just as much as he did. He did not plan it to be this way. Your mother and me, but things have got so bad between us. I don't see us ever being together ever again, like we used to be when we was teenagers. But then of course everything always happens for a reason. I guess it was never meant to be, and this is something we have no control over, and that's what destiny is. So no more worries, push your head and go to sleep. Maybe one day we'll wake up and this will always be a dream. Little baby, don't you cry, everything's gonna be alright. I told you, Daddy still hold you through the night. I know Mommy's not here right now. We feel how we feel inside. You seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise Mama's gonna be alright. It's funny, I remember back when you and Daddy had no money. Mommy wrapped the Christmas presents up and stuck them under the tree and sent some home from me. Cause Daddy come by, I'll never forget that Christmas. I stayed up the whole night crying cause Daddy felt like a bum. See, Daddy had his job, but his job was to keep the food on the table for you and Mom. And at the time, every house that we lived in either kept getting broken into and robbed and shot up on the block. And your mom was saving money for you in the jars, trying to start a piggy bank for you so you can go to college. Almost had $1,000 just from what broken and stolen, and I know it hurt so bad it broke your mama's heart. And it seemed like everything was just starting to fall apart. Mom and Dad was arguing a lot, so Mama moved back on the traumas in the flat, one-bedroom apartment, and Dad moved back to the other side of 8 Mile no Novara. And that's when Daddy went to California with his CD and McNuggets. And flew you and Mama out to see me, but Daddy had to work. Your Mama had to leave me. Then you started seeing Daddy on the TV, and Mama didn't like it, and you were Laney, were too young to understand it. Papa was a Rolling Stone, Mama developed a habit, and it all happened too fast for either one of us to grab it. I'm just sorry you were there. I had to witness it firsthand, cause all I ever wanted to do was just make you proud. Now I'm sitting in this empty house, just reminiscing, looking at your baby pictures. It just trips me out to see how much you both have grown. It's almost like your sisters now. Wow, guess you pretty much are. Daddy's still here. Lady, I'm talking to you too, boo. Daddy's still here. I like the sound of that chair. It's got a ring to it, don't it? Shh, Mama's only gone for the moment. Now, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. I told you, Daddy's here to hold you. I know Mommy's not here right now, and we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. You may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise Mama's gonna be alright. And if you ask me, so Daddy's gonna buy you a mockingbird. I'ma give you the world. I'ma buy the diamond ring for you. I'ma sing for you. I'll do anything for you to see you smile. And if that mockingbird don't sing and his wing don't shine, I'ma break that birdie's neck. I go back to the jeweler who sold it to ya. They can give me every carat, don't mess with that. Well, that's me trying to rap. Yeah, thanks. Bye.